Effects and timing presets are a really powerful way to quickly grab some effects or timing information and apply them to your fixtures. This can allow you to do some really cool things. Let me show you. First, I've got this color effect already in my programmer that I just built. I'm going to go ahead and record it to a regular preset. So I'll press record. I'm going to record it in a color preset, and I'll type on my keyboard to give it a name and hit enter. Now if I press clear twice, I can recall that whole color preset, or even better, I can press clear twice again, select just one row, or I'll select the first 2 rows of fixtures, and then select that preset. We can now see that that effect has only applied to the 2 rows that I selected, making this a really powerful way to select all or some of the fixtures that you programmed the effect into originally to then record into cues on their own. Now I'll press clear twice again. You may have also seen the effects macros available on the right side of the group's preset strips window. The effects macros, which we'll cover later in effects, are universal effects presets that you can apply to any fixture, so they don't contain wave or step information like the effects preset that we just recorded. Timing presets are an incredibly valuable feature of M-Series. Seriously, I really like them, because you can quickly and easily just grab a stored timing preset and put a wipe across your fixtures as the transition, instead of just a typical generic 2-second transition where everything goes at the same time. Let me walk you through how this works. I'm going to grab my quantum profiles. I'm going to go ahead, let me go on this second bank first of all, and turn off the submaster so we can work with intensity. Then I'm going to go to bank 11, which is blank, to show you how to add this in a queue. So I'm going to go ahead to my quantum profiles, I'm going to pull up my parameters, and go to intensity, and then I'm going to go ahead and press on my keypad delay. We're now working with delay, and so as we can see in our programmer, I'm now going to type 1 through 24 and hit enter. We can now see that the delay for all of the parameters on these lights has now been set for 1 second through 24 seconds on the fixtures that we already had selected. Since I had 24 fixtures selected, it spaced them exactly 1 second apart. Let's go to our group preset strips. We're going to press record, and I'm going to record this with only timing information. So I've set that in my record values here as an intensity preset. So it's only going to save the timing information for intensity unless I select other filters. Now, when I recall that preset, we can see in the programmer that the intensity and shutter, the 2 intensity parameters in the group, have now been recalled to a delay according to the preset that I just selected. Perfect. Let's go put this in a queue. I'm going to grab my quantum profiles, intensity at 0, press record, and create a queue. I'm creating this queue on a brand new queue stack, but you could create a queue anywhere in your show and the preset will still work. Now I'll create a second queue with the intensity at full and also that 1 through 24 second delay time set. Now we'll press record, create that second queue, and press clear twice to clear our programmer. Now if we put that preset in a queue, we can simply hit play, and we can watch our fixtures come on exactly 1 second apart, delayed across 24 seconds. This is the power of the timing preset. Remember that you can use delay and fade on any combination of parameters to create your own timing presets.